statue back there? That's cool.
Yeah, there's a bunch of... Yeah. There are none here. Wanna look over here?
Hey, can I see fishes? I saw fishes. Oh, this is where
Let's see a fish.
You want to see a fish?
the turtles will come up. So we could, I don't know where to get cat food. Yeah, see what? Okay, we could bring some food for the turtles.
Mommy, let me down.
Stick?
Yeah, the little baby turtle.
See him?
No, I can't.
You can't see him?
Oh, that is water.
Yeah, there's water.
Hey, be careful.
Why?
Because of the steps.
Is it an alligator?
No, there's no alligators here, sweetheart. I wish. Hey. Will you roll? Look, there's dragonfly.
Yeah.
Do you remember coming here?
Yeah. Mommy. Mommy.
It is a mermaid.
Garden. Hey, Addie. Can you go down just a little bit? Hey. Close to Mama.
Oh, that one broke.
May I tell you to tighten up? Get over here then. Thank you. Tighten up. Yep. What do we do in the parking lot? We tighten up. Okay, hey. You tripped last time, so be careful. Yep, go up that way. Yep, just like last time. Go stand up on top.
And turn around and say
Put
cheese.
your hands up. Both of them. Yay. Good job.
Do you know where to go, Addie?
Here. Here. No.
Oh goodness, yeah, some of it fell.
Wow.
Hopefully we don't have to go through that one.
Which one? That one?
We probably do though. I wouldn't assume it would just go all, yep, that's a dead end.
Oh no!
Dead end, we gotta go around.
Oh,
We gotta go through here.
wow.
Go, 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 go.
Through the jungle.
I did.
Oh, that's a dead end too. Somebody cheated.
Adeline.
Oh. What?
Ooh, Addie, look. Look how pretty.
Yeah.
She said, yeah. Oh, look. We found the way.
Yeah, we did. I know.
Hey.
So this is where we got to go for the railroad, I guess.
Yeah, it's right there.
Pretty cool. Look at all the little cars on Main Street. a little bridge. I think they do this the first Saturday of every month.
Yep.
There's a military base. The mechs are attacking the military base. Don't look like it's to much of nothing. Okay. It's the back end of the train. Look, we arrived just in time. There's one coming. We could watch them go down the bridge. No, we can't. Technical difficulties. We got it going.
What's that doing?
They're driving the trains.
Oh, another thing.
Yeah, you see the other one?
Is there some more? Is there some more down
There might be a couple more, but
yeah.
they'd come this way. But I don't see any coming. The Southscape Garden.
Daddy, this is the garden.
The Blue Garden. It's Bluey's garden.
Down here.
Yeah, there's cracks. Look at that. Is it a palm tree in Loganville? It's probably not a palm tree, but private property. Okay, we can't go that way, baby girl. We gotta come back down this way. She's fast. You're fast, girl. I don't know what that is, but it looks like that's what's on the private property. That's a huge building. I don't know if it's a business or a house. You're gonna beat me. This is a beautiful park. Did mommy get you? It's clean. Old Nissan.